guys, did you press that?
No.
Okay, that's weird. It just pressed it by itself. It did look so weird, didn't it? Yeah, there was. Okay. Well, guys, we're now at this Stanner lift back, and we'll, man, that needs fixing. It needs some work.
Yeah, it's a bit crackly, isn't it?
No, I'm talking to her. Well, for sometimes it presses it by itself, and sometimes it doesn't. But we're gonna go in this lift, but I think I can trust it to not get stuck. But let's call it back, okay? So yeah, let's do it. So also it says there, do not obstruct risk of injury. Well, that is not true because it will just open. Well, I have done obstructing doors testing this though, and it did open. But yeah. Is it going to come up? Has it gone out of service? Nope. Well, yep, here it is. It's coming up. It says 5th floor and ground floor. But, yep. Let's see. This is the panel. Hold the doors. And now let's go down, okay? No. But also, it's a Stanner lift, and it can fit in 16 persons and capacity 1200 kilograms. Yeah, and that's the indicator. And again, it's literally the circles of holes. Let's go back up, okay? To see. But it's got. Okay, wait, no, wait, no. We're gonna go back up. So let's press this. Oh. But let's go up, okay? Oh. Is it gonna close? No, I have to do it because you can see there's no clip. No, it's closed.
Yeah, it's okay.
Right, let's go up. Oh, jeez. Actually, let's go back down. Oh yeah, it works like that. We're not pressing the train station now. Yep, here we are. First floor. It sounds pretty weird noise. Let's hold the doors. No, stay in there. I'm gonna press this. Let's press this. Okay. Let's press this. Oh.
That's it. It's alright. It's gonna work. It's okay. It's all closed. Don't worry.
There we go. That's fine. Well, let's go down, okay? And let's go here. New bit. Okay, just turn it up. And then call it back down to the original spot.
Don't get your faces in it.
No, it's madder. I love it. Hold the doors. Yeah. I'm holding the doors. Keep them out, please. Right, then press this. Let's say close. And then go back down. No, you need to fix them. Oh yeah, that does light up. No, not one, but let's call it back down to the original spot. But rather, this one only goes 2 miles per hour though. But let's call it down to the original spot, guys. Okay. Well, we're gonna go to the platform, guys. Okay. We're gonna go to the platform now. I mean, we're gonna go to Euston Square. Okay. Yeah. Actually, guys, I restarted the music at the start of this. Well, I did now, just right now. Okay, guys, see you at the next bit, guys, okay? I mean, see you at Euston Square, guys, okay? Guys, before we get to the next bit, I have to split it into another part because we need to check when the pub closes at in the Ibis Hotel. So see you in the next part, guys, okay?